Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I'm with you on the platform of JIB CIB English Medium. Good evening everyone. Okay, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic called trading account. Acha, when we talk about financial statements of any organization, it includes basically three things. First is trading account, second is profit and loss account, and the third one is balance sheet. Trading and profit and loss account talks about the profit of the organization. Trading exclusively talks about production and the goods that we are dealing with. And then we have profit and loss account, which is all about the profit or the loss which occurs due to income and expenses area. Last point is basically when we talk about the balance sheet. Balance sheet is what? Balance sheet can be defined as a financial statement under which you come to know about the net worth of the organization. So these are the three things that we prepare. So trading account is a financial statement that summarizes a company's trading activities, either purchase or sale or production and then sale. Both of these are covered under this specific area. It shows that the revenue earned from selling the goods or services and the expenses incurred in producing and selling those goods or services. So it can be any of these. If we talk about exclusive services, then they prepare profit and loss account only. The profit and loss account is something I'll deal in the upcoming classes in detail. So let's continue further and talk about this in detail, everyone. What are the various components of your trading account? Number one is your revenue. Revenue is your income. Then comes, see, this is the basic thing that you are working forward to. The reason that you are really working as a company or as a manufacturer or anybody who's into the field of production, sales, or any of those, that is because you are trying to earn the revenue. है ना? So in this case, what are we going to do? We call it revenue, the main source of income. After this, when we talk about the specific main source of income, then you have, see, if you earn, there's a certain income that you are spending only on specific part, that is your cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold matlab the production part. Okay? When we talk about this production part, how do we talk about it, everyone? When we talk about the cost of goods sold, that means the cost that you will be incurring exclusively for the production part or the part of trading, because you trade even now. When you are trading for this particular thing, that is how you get this particular profit out of it. Profit on trading of goods is there only when you understand that part. See, when you have your income, when you have your costs, both of these things together will lead to what? Look at this part. Huh? First is your revenue, second is your cost. From your income, if you remove all the expenses, what you're left with is your profit, which is called gross profit. Now, any expense which is not directly related to production is called your indirect expenses. So there are two kind of expenses, direct and indirect. Direct expenses are a part of cost of goods sold, which is exclusively for the production or the trading of that goods. When we talk about other expenses, these are basically those expenses which are not directly associated with your production area. So this is taken up by the profit and loss account. So trading account doesn't have any of the indirect expenses. Look at this, everyone. This is the format for trading account. I hope this is visible right now. When we talk about the trading account, a trading account is a nominal account. What do you mean by the term nominal account? Nominal means any account which helps you to find out either profit or loss. So in this case, what's going to be the answer? There's some opening stock. There are two purchases. That means the purchases that you are doing. है ना? This entire side is called expense side, or this is your debit side, and this entire side is your credit side, which is your income side. Done. So when we talk about this specific area altogether, income means what? The money that you are receiving in the business. है ना? That is your income side, your sales. From sales, whatever you have returned back. Why would you return back, everyone? Because what can happen is when we sell something, sometimes the things are not as per the quality, so people might return it. So from your sales, you remove your return inwards. And whatever we are left with is called the closing stock. The stock that we begin our business with is called opening stock, and your opening stock should be the same as uh, the amount. See, the opening stock is basically the unsold part of production which had happened yesterday, right, on 31st of October, whatever we would have done, right? So can I say all the expenses are on the debit side, and anything the expenses which can be taken over a bit of time, then that is something called closing stock. But then what is it that everyone that is troubling? Now when we talk about the trading account, and when we talk about then we talk about the area of trading account and the GP, there is gross profit ratio. The ratio is talked about. When we talk about the specific trading account, there is something very interesting that happens is that in the trading account, if you prepare the particular details, you will come to know whether your production cost is more or less. If it is less, it's good. If it is more, then it is alarming for the organization. Anyhow, on the debit side, you put all the direct expenses that includes your labor, direct tools and equipments that are required, and then we have the done. This is the format for capital. And when we talk about exclusively the trading account, this is a pure nominal account which gives you either the profit or the loss. Done, everyone. Now let's move on towards the next question, that is regarding what is an example of trading account. In this question, what can I see? I can see my sales was of 1 lakh rupees, which was my revenue. But surprisingly, what has happened is you out of this 1 lakh rupees sale, 2000 is basically returned inwards. The people have given me back. That means my exclusive sale is of 98,000. Then there is something called cost of goods sold. Everyone, what's the formula? In the opening stock, this is what you have in the beginning. Then do you what you purchase during the year, then plus. Then we talk about the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is basically the cost that is incurred in order to produce that specific good. है ना? Let's look at this part. You have your opening stock, you add up purchases, then you add up any of the expenses which are directly related with the production less. When we talk about the specific area now, you have opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense minus the closing stock. This will give you exclusively the portion of your cost of goods sold. That means the amount that you are incurring in your business that you are running. Look at this, everyone. How do we find it? This is basically your opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense See, this is a specific area we have shown that opening stock plus purchase plus net expenses, where you are actually piling up all the expenses, and by the end of the year, then whatever we are left with, we find it out and find the specific way altogether. So the next point would be, in this case, can you see the revenue should be more and your cost should be less, only then you can make a profit. Your profit would be your GP, right? That is gross profit. Gross profit, or what if you face a loss? If you face a loss, it would be called a gross loss, everyone. That is how we create a trading account, and in this case, what you check is the financial performance. This is minus closing stock, and what you get is called the financial performance. Done, everyone? Chaliye then, that's it for the day. I'll be meeting you in the next session of our class. But before I end the particular session, everyone, thank you so much for being there. Like the session, subscribe to the channel right away, and prepare well for the examination. Thank you.